My dear children, today we are going to study English Class 5 Marigold Unit 1 Part 1 Ice Cream Man. Ice Cream Man. Today we will go for the question, answers and multiple choice questions along with the word meaning. Now let us start it. First of all, I will go for summary. In summer season, when the buildings are hot outside and inside, the children like ice cream. The children like ice cream. In this poem, the poet describes children's love for ice cream in hot summer days. The ice cream man visits their streets on hot summer days with his cart. His cart is full of ice creams and frosty fizz cold drinks. There is a round umbrella over his cart. He brings ice creams in different flavors. He fills the cone with creamy and cold ice cream. He also sells frosty fizz, colorful cold drinks. For children, his cart is not a cart, but a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The children gather around it like honeybees. As honeybees gather around the flowers, in the same manner, children gather around the ice cream cart to take ice creams and cold drinks. Now I am going to read book questions which are given on page number 4. Reading is fun. Question number 1. In which season is ice cream popular? Answer. Ice cream is popular in the summer season, that is in hot summer days. But nowadays children like ice cream in winter days also. But according to the book, it is popular in summer days. Question 2. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Answer. Children feel joyful on seeing the ice cream man. When ice cream man comes, the children are happy. They run towards the cart to get the ice creams, cold ice creams and cold drinks. Next question. Question 3. Name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. Answer. The ice cream man has chocolate, vanilla and strawberry flavors in his cart. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, vanilla and strawberry. Next question. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? The ice cream man is selling ice cream cones of vanilla, chocolate and strawberry flavors and different colored frosty fizz cold drinks for children. Ice cream and cold drinks. Question 5. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? The ice cream cart has been compared to a flower bed of roses and sweet peas in the poem. The ice cream cart has been compared to a flower bed of roses and sweet peas in the poem. Flower bed of roses and sweet peas. Now I am going to read some extra questions which are very important. Question number 1. What is the name of the chapter? Or what is the name of the lesson? Or what is the name of the poem? Answer 1. You know it very well. The name of the chapter is Ice Cream Man, or the name of the lesson is Ice Cream Man, or the name of the poem is Ice Cream Man. Ice Cream Man. 2. Who is the poet of the poem Ice Cream? Who is the poet of the poem Ice Cream? The poet of the poem Ice Cream is Rachel Field. Rachel Field. Rachel Field. The poet of the poem Ice Cream is Rachel Field. The poet of the poem Ice Cream is Rachel Field. What is the poem about? What is the poem about? The poem is about the most loved person of children during summer. Yes, the ice cream man. His cart. Ice cream. Ice creams with different flavors. And cold drinks. Frosty Fizz, cold drinks. Ice cream man. Most important is ice cream man. How does the ice cream man save the children from the scorching of heat? How does the ice cream man save the children from the scorching of heat? The ice cream man saves the children from the scorching of heat by giving them cold ice creams. By giving them cold ice creams and chilly cold drinks. Frosty Fizz cold drinks. What is the other thing he is selling? The first thing he is selling ice cream. And the other thing he is selling a Frosty Fizz cold drink. What? What is the other thing he is selling? The other thing he is selling is Frosty Fizz cold drink. Frosty Fizz cold drink. Question number 6. Name the different colors of cold drinks the ice cream man has in his cart. You have to tell the colors of the cold drinks. The ice cream man has green, orange, white and pink colored cold drink in his cart. The ice cream man has green, orange, white and pink colored cold drinks in his cart. Who are the children compared to in the poem? The children are compared to honeybees in the poem. As bees gathered around the flower for nectar, in the same manner the children are gathered near the cart for ice cream. The children are compared to honeybees in the poem. As bees gather around the flower for nectar, in the same manner the children are gathered near the cart for ice cream. What do you mean by bricks blaze of heat? What do you mean by bricks blaze of heat? Brick is blaze of heat. The houses and the buildings. The houses and the buildings are made up of bricks, we know. Here, bricks denotes houses and buildings. In summer days, the houses and buildings trap heat of sun and become hot. It means that the houses and buildings are hot. The children are fed up of heat because it is intolerable. It means the brick here denotes the houses and buildings. The houses and buildings are made up of bricks. Here bricks denotes houses and buildings. In summer days, the houses and buildings trap heat of sun and become hot. It means that the houses and buildings are hot. The children are fed up of heat because it is intolerable. The houses and buildings are made up of bricks. You know this thing very well. Here, bricks denotes houses and houses and buildings become hot during summer days. Now some multiple choice questions. You have to read it well and you have to give the answers. In which season is ice cream popular? Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Name the different flavors of ice cream and ice cream man has in his cart. Yes, there are 3 questions on the first page. You have to read it well and then you have to give the answer. You will get the answers in the next video. 4th question. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? 5. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? 6. Who is the poet of the ice cream poem? Who is the poet of the poem Ice Cream? Please read the question well and carefully. Question number 7. How many colors of cold drinks the ice cream man has? 8. Who are the children compared to in the poem? 9. What is the name of the poem? What is the name of the poem? And question number 10. What do the children like most in summer? What do the children like most in summer? Now the word meanings. Summary. Summary means सारांश. Summer season. गर्मी का मौसम. Describes. वर्णन करता है और describe means वर्णन करना. Streets. गली और मोहल्ले. Cart. ठेला. आइसक्रीम कार्ट. आइसक्रीम का ठेला. Trundling. Moving on small broad wheels. छोटे छोटे पहिए चौड़े चौड़े पहिए. Mounts. Heap. Pile. ढेर. Frosty fish cold drinks. आवाज के साथ खुलने वाली ठंडी बोतल. Chilled drink. Making a hissing, bubbling sound. Cluster. Gather around. Group of similar things. एक जगह इकट्ठे हो जाना. Brings. लाता है. Bring means लाना. Flavors. विशिष्ट स्वाद और गंध. Popular. लोकप्रिय. Compare. तुलना करना. Chapter. Lesson. पाठ. Poem. कविता. Poet. कवि. Gathered. इकट्ठा होना. इकट्ठा हो गए. Blaze of heat. गर्मी से दहकना. Bright flame of fire. Trap. सोख लेते हैं. Intolerable. असहनीय. My little children, please listen the chapter well. You have to learn all the questions and answers, and you have to give the answers of the multiple choice questions, and you have to learn all the word meanings. Thank you.